Welcome aboard. In this video, I'm going to talk about a Telegram bot that you can earn points by tapping. Let's get started right away. So far, I've covered many Telegram bots on my YouTube channel for you. You already know about bots like Blum, MemeFI, TapSwap, and Hamster. If you haven't used these bots yet, you can visit my playlist created for Telegram bots. It's not too late to join. You can find all the links below this video. In this video, I'll be talking about Wcoin. You can find the link to this bot in the video's description section. After logging into the Telegram bot, you'll see a screen like this. On this screen, you can earn points by tapping. Each tap consumes energy, and you need to wait for a while for this energy to refill. In the Mates section, you'll find your referral link. By giving your referral link to your friends, you have a chance to earn more points. Now let's look at the Tasks option. Here you have options to earn points by completing simple tasks. After completing the tasks, all you need to do is press the Claim button to request the points you've earned. You can lock the points you've earned in the Staking section and earn more points. As you stake, you'll also complete the staking stages in the Tasks section. In addition to these, there's a Boost section. Just like TapSwap and MemeFi, you're given daily gift boosts. The battery boost fills your energy, while the luck dice boost multiplies your tapping power. This multiplier is determined after rolling the dice. There are also boost options below. By using them, you can increase your tapping power, energy limit, and energy refill rate. Also, getting the Wworker bot is quite advantageous because the bot taps for you and shows you the points it earns when you enter the application. If you're confident in your luck, you can also try the multiplier option. I haven't tried it yet because it seems expensive to me. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.